Hey, what's up guys? James here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade Ethereum for massive profits. This is going to be kind of a technical analysis, what we're seeing at on the chart here, and just so you know how to read Ethereum and make money off of what's happening there. I'm going to go through that. Also, I'm going to do the giveaway at the end of this video. In yesterday's video, I asked people to leave comments, and I'm going to do a 0.02 Bitcoin giveaway to one of those commenters. I'm going to do that here at the end of the video. So guys, let's get started. All right, so this is the Ethereum and Ethereum to the US dollar tether chart, and this is on Bittrex. I'm on the 12-hour candles. Okay, so I'm gonna actually, let me erase all of this here, all this technical analysis. So this is what we're looking at here, a chart like this, right? So what I'm seeing on Ethereum is something like this. Okay, so we have our trending support, our upward trending support going up like this, and then we have our, it looks like really like a big ascending triangle. Okay, so we have our line kind of like this. Maybe it might be up just a tad, right? Something like that. Okay, so to me, this is a pretty big ascending triangle. And the way that you would want to trade this if you're wanting to trade Ethereum is you don't want to buy, you really don't want to buy here at the top. You'd want to try to buy along this trending support line. Now, I got an entry into Ethereum at 265. Right now, Ethereum is 337, so I've already got a pretty good amount of profit. Let me actually see what that is right now. I got in at 265, and right now it is at, yeah, so I'm in at 27% profit right now. Now, inside of this triangle, so kind of what we're looking to happen here is it might be something kind of like this, right? It's coming up. It might go up again. It may come back down and hit this trending support line. That would be like the next like really good possible entry. And then we're looking forward to break up through this resistance line. Okay, that's kind of like what we're probably looking at here. Now, the other possibility on this is, that's not what I want. One second. Okay, let me draw this trending support line again. All right, so you can see. Okay, and then we got our resistance line about right here. Boom. Okay, now what just happened today, now this actually just happened last night, this morning, whatever, is inside of this huge ascending triangle we have on the 12-hour charts. If you kind of zoom in and go into the, I don't know, we might go into like the, I'll just do like the 6-hour. We had kind of another one, right? So we had this this resistance line right here, and then we had this trending support. Okay, so something like that, right? And so what happens, you can see it kind of bounces around in here, goes up, gets rejected, comes back down, goes up, and then it breaks through the resistance. The next possible entry, if you're kind of looking in a smaller time window, would be, it might, I don't know if it will this time, it might kind of go up and then come back down. A lot of times when you have a price break through an ascending triangle, like break through the resistance, a lot of times it'll come right back down and test the resistance level to make that support. All right, and then what you would have is then it would go on and keep going up. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at there. So you could try to get an entry, you know, right, I would say somewhere in this zone. I would say an entry somewhere in this zone. Okay, so maybe 318 to 327, something like that. You could try to catch a wick down, so maybe put a buy order, you know, somewhere in here. That would be the next good entry. I know our group just had really good entries at 265. So we're in a pretty sweet spot, but I wanted to do this technical analysis in case, you know, you want to get into Ethereum. Maybe you're holding Ethereum and you want to see where it's going to go. I mean, the big picture looks like this thing wants to go. I'll kind of look at let's look at the RSI strength. All right, so I'm going to go back to, I'll go like to 3-day. The 3-day on the RSI here at the bottom, you can see here this 3-day, it means it's really oversold down here. So now it's picking up a lot of strength or momentum, right? On the 3-day, that looks really good. Looks like it wants to go. On the 1-day, it's picking up. It's got strength. It wants to go up. On the 12-hour, it's strong on the 12-hour. On the 6-hour, you see this tilt over here? This means a little bit overbought. So this is the point. See how it's a little overbought on the RSI? This is that point where we might see it. We might see it do something like this, right? Come back down, and then come down to test support, because on the 6-hour and maybe even the 4-hour, if I look at the 4-hour, it's a little overbought on the 4-hour. So it looks like it wants to come down. Looks like it might lose a little bit of momentum on the the smaller time frames. But really, that's just because it may come down and test this support line. It may not go all the way down, but it does look like it wants to come down a little bit more. Let's look at the 1-hour. Yeah, but see, already now it's already on the 1-hour. It's already kind of it's really oversold, and looks like it's gonna move. So it might come down a little bit more. I don't know that it's gonna come all the way down to test that support line. But anyways, that's kind of the overall like big picture. And then we should see this thing once, maybe it'll come down a little bit more, but then it's gonna pop. I really believe it's gonna pop out like that. Okay. So again, no, I do believe it's going to go up. It might go up, and then there's a potential it could go up and come back down to this trending support. I don't think it's going to come down. I was just saying, if it does, that's a spot you want to be looking for. All right. If it goes up and comes all the way back down on this bigger time frame to this trending support, you want to buy it there. I don't think it's going to come there, but that's a possibility. All right. So I really think that. And then if we kind of look at maybe like a potential target, let me do this. I might look at this on like the 3-day. Yeah. Maybe even the weekly. Yeah. All right. So what I would see on Ethereum is something like this for a potential target. All right. So this is going my Fibonacci lines. You can see Ethereum came up, it came back down, it tagged the 78% retracement, which is very normal. This would have been a perfect spot to buy, actually, if you could have got in then. So anyways, I'm going to draw the fib lines in reverse and kind of get like another possible target. All right, so if I'm looking there, I mean, this thing looks like it wants to go again, like I said. So if I draw the line from here to here, and then all right, and then I'm gonna clone this. I'm gonna place this line about right here. Okay, so it looks like the next possible target for Ethereum, I mean, we could see this thing go to 500 to 532, somewhere in this zone, pretty easy. That would be a good, let's see, I would say somewhere in this zone. So yeah, 500 to 540, somewhere in there, I believe Ethereum is going to go to. Let's see how long it took. This move over here to the top, like this entire thing. Yeah. All right. So yeah, I don't know the exact time frame this thing will take, but I do believe Ethereum is going to 500 to 550, somewhere in that range. So like I know our group, we got a sweet entry. So hopefully you guys will be able to play this if it's something that you want to get into with Ethereum, or maybe you have Ethereum and you're holding it. So that's really all I got on the technical analysis for Ethereum. Now I want to give away the 0.02 Bitcoin. So let me do that. Okay, so on yesterday's video, I said I was going to give away 0.02 Bitcoin to whoever, to one person that commented on the video. There's 12 comments. There's not a ton of comments, so there's actually very good chances of winning these giveaways right now until this channel like really builds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to random.org. I'm just going to type in, there's 12, click generate, and the winner is number 4. So the winner is 1, 2, 3, 4. So Edgar Pina. Edgar Pina. I'm going to go ahead and send it off right now. All right. So Edgar Pina. Whoops. Okay. 0.02 Bitcoin is on its way. Awesome. All right. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Appreciate you. Leave a comment. Let me know your questions. Let me know your thoughts on Ethereum. And that's it. We'll see you guys soon.